How to search for a new message on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your Play Store Android. When you have to install the app, just open it in your phone. Now we can see here the desktop of your Messenger. You can see different options like chats, calls, people, and the stories here. You can see like this. And I am going to know that how to search for a new message on Facebook Messenger. If you have multiple messages in your chat box and you are unable to find the new message, then how you can directly watch or search for a new message on Facebook Messenger. You can see at the top right corner there is a pencil mark. Just you have to click on it before to see a new message. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. At the top you can see new message and there is a turn on and turn off option. Here your multiple chats will appear. When you have to turn it on, the old chats will be removed and you are unable to view the old chat. Just when you have to turn it on, only the new messages which you haven't read will appear here and you can easily find the new message from your chat box in your messenger. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video. Thanks for your engagement. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.